Well, Brian, most large health systems have shared patient electronic medical records, but the only people who are supposed to be accessing those records are current and credentialed employees. Beaumont Health telling us tonight the now former employee who worked at this Dearborn location is suspected of sharing that very sensitive information with someone who works on behalf of an injury attorney.
Or this type of thing to happen, this type of breach, this is extremely egregious.
Friday, Beaumont Health notified nearly 1,200 patients of a data breach. According to the health system, which launched an investigation, a former employee at the Dearborn location had unauthorized access to the records. Between February of 2017 and October of 2019, disclosed information, including, among other things, patient addresses, their reason for treatment, insurance information, and social security numbers.
I mean, our social security number is basically like, that's people get access to all your proprietary data, so that's probably the most vulnerable.
Beaumont is providing those patients whose social security numbers were accessed with free credit monitoring. From a legal standpoint, attorney Arnold Reed says HIPAA was clearly violated here. But in terms of taking legal action against the hospital, patients may be limited.
Unless you can prove what we call actual damages, then the path to a lawsuit is very difficult. You have to prove actual harm.
Beaumont has also taken steps to improve internal procedures to identify and remediate future threats in order to minimize the risk of a similar incident in the future, said a Beaumont spokesperson in a statement. The Michigan Health and Hospital Association has also been notified of the incident, which is being handled by the State Grievance Commission. It's still unclear if the employee in question will face charges and what those charges could be.
And Jen, you're learning some information for any potentially affected patients.
Yeah, that's right. If you are concerned that you might be affected by this, there is a number, and that's on our website, WXYZ.com. And again, the Beaumont Health System is working with patients, providing free credit monitoring for those whose social security numbers were shared. And again, that expert that I talked to tonight suggests that if you are an affected patient, be proactive, reach out to the hospital, and make sure they're staying on top of those protocols. Brian?
All right, good information there, Jen. Thank you.